Hello everybody, welcome to my creative time with Emma, and also welcome to, I'm doing a tutorial on our brand new, this is a brand new die set from our Christmas in July release. It's called the Giant Ginger Mrs. Santa Claus, I believe it's called. So anyways, this is it right here. This coordinates with our giant ginger die. Okay, a ton of you have this because I sold out of this a few times already. So this is the girl, the giant girl ginger die. Okay, so this set coordinates with this, and this also comes with a set of face stamps, but I didn't use these face stamps because these are like for her singing. You can if you want, but I actually used the stamps, the face stamps that went with the giant ginger, which are these right here. Okay, so I use these stamps for this rather than the other ones, I should say. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, so basically this is going to be her hair. This is her little outfit. This is like a little, the little fur, like this one will go here. The little pom-poms will go like down her little outfit in the front. And this is like the little fur that goes in the bottom of her dress. She has her little shoesies, and she also have little gloves with little fur, similar to the giant ginger Santa. Okay, she also has glasses, and she has a little apron. And this is the actual layer that goes to the apron on the top, okay? So I'm going to show you how to put this one together, okay? So you want to go ahead and cut out the body, which is the giant ginger girl, okay? This one is really easy to put together, okay? So let's go ahead and just start. Now this one, this is different from the Santa one that we put together, because this one you could just start from the head and just work your way down. The other one was a little bit different. This one's a little bit easier. Okay, so let's go ahead and put her down. So we're going to go ahead and put her little hair on. Now you don't necessarily have to make her hair gray. You can make it brown if you want, you know what I'm saying? Well, if it's Mrs. Santa Claus, maybe, but I'm going to show you another one where you don't have to do it gray. You could make it brown. Okay, so there goes the little hair part to her, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and put her little outfit on, okay? So let's go ahead and get this going here. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to put glue directly on her body rather than the dress. There we go. So we're going to put her little outfit on. So this one, you just kind of want to just match up to her little arms. Let me scooch this on over. There we go. So I'm just going to hold this down like so. And then we're going to go ahead and put on the little collar. This is going to go like so. Super adorable. And then we're going to go ahead and do the bottom portion, like the little fur at the bottom of her dress. Oopsie. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this down here. And then we're going to put like the little pom-poms here. That was the first one. And the second one, I can't believe I forgot to cut out her shoes, but we'll go ahead and go back and do that. Okay, there we go. Well, before we do that, let's go ahead and put her face on. Let's grab that stamp that we're going to use. And like I said, we're just using the stamp set from the Giant Ginger rather than the other one, than the one that actually comes with her. So let's go ahead and just ink her up really quick, her little face. Okay. So this is just gonna go like so. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Okay, and then we could go ahead and do her little face. Let's just put some little cheeks on her. We'll put her little cheeks on before we do her little glasses. And I like to put little, what do you call that? Glossy accents on the eyes as well. So let's go ahead and put this on. We'll put her little glasses on. You don't have to use the glasses, but I think they're super cute. So adorable. So let's go ahead and just put some adhesive. Now, since the glasses are very thin, you definitely put, like, I usually like put little dots on it. Like I kind of like just kind of dot like so, like little tiny dots. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and get this on. She's beautiful. Okie dokie. So let's go ahead and put her little shoesies on. Okay, I'm glad I didn't glue the dress completely down at the bottom, since we forgot one little minor detail here. So let's go ahead and kind of just slide this underneath here. Just like so. Now remember, you don't have to put it exactly like up high on the feet. You want to keep it where you could actually see her little shoes. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and do the same thing here. I'm just lifting up her little dress. There we go. And then for the little gloves, I changed the gloves to black. So we're going to go ahead and just take the fur off of these and put them on here instead. And you could do these any color of your choosing. It doesn't have to be black. It's just I wanted it to be, so I went ahead and I cut this out. Okay, so this is gonna go like so. Oopsie. There we go. Okay, let's put this here. So she's really easy to put together. Super simple, okay? So now we're just gonna go ahead and just put some glue here. Oops. Take some of this glue off. Actually, might as well use it for this side. Since we're gonna need some, I put too much on there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this here. And then we'll put this one on this side. Super adorable. Oh my goodness. And then you could go ahead and add glossy accents to her eyes. I won't add it right now because I don't want to keep this video too long. But isn't this super adorable? And then what we're going to do from our brand new Holly Plate die, we're going to add, let's just add a little decoration to her hair. Why not? So I'm thinking we could probably put this right here. Why not, right? So let's go ahead and just put this on. Just like so. Now, how cute is that? And then here goes one here with the gold glasses. Okay, so I did one with gold and one with silver. Super adorable. Okay, so there goes our first one. So let's go ahead and make one using the apron. Okay, so let's go ahead and just quickly put this together. Went ahead and put her hair and her face on since we already Since I already showed you how to do that with the other one. So let's just go ahead and get this on. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put a different little dress on her, okay? Let's go ahead and put this cute, and I'm using this paper. It's from my brand new, what is this one called? The Christmas Ginger Kisses 2. That's what this paper pad is called. Okay, so now we put her little dress on. So I wanted to show you. I borrowed this little collar. It's from the Giant Girl Ginger Accessories. And there was the little collar that went to that dress. So I figured I'm going to use that collar to put on rather than putting the fur. You know, well, oh my goodness, should I put it on? Okay, let's put her little apron together first. Okay, now though, I might change my mind. So I'll show you what the collar looks like on the other one. So let's go ahead and put this on really quick here. Okay, let's put her little shoesies on. I thought her little shoes could look really cute matching her apron. Why not, right? So let me scooch that out of the way. Let's put her little shoes. Okay, so let's go ahead and put her apron on first. And then we'll decide if we want that on or not. That's so cute. Now maybe we should do the shoes white, I'm thinking. Because I think that's, I don't know. We'll see. I might change my mind. So let's go ahead and just put this on her little, put her little apron on. Her apron has like little cutouts in it, looking so cute. Okay, I went ahead and I kind of added like the little white things in her little cheeks and everything. And I did switch the shoes to white. And then I think we're going to go with this one. I think that collar looks super cute on there instead of this one. I figure we'll leave this one for that outfit. And then we'll just borrow the collar from the other set of the little Giant Ginger Girl accessories. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Now this is the one I told you, like if you don't want it to make it to like a Santa, Mrs. Claus, you could go ahead and do the little hair different color. You know what I'm saying? I think it's super cute, and I think her apron is just super adorable because it almost looks like it has like lace at the bottom of it. So yeah, so that is it. Now, if you want to add glasses to her, you can. If not, you don't have to. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how these look, how I did the glossy accents on the eyes. I'm not sure. Hopefully you can see it on there. And this has a little, this one has gold glasses, but isn't that super cute? So you can see the glossy accents. And then this one here, I made her a little different outfit, and I think she came out super adorable as well. And that's how she looks with the little glossy accents on the little eyes, okay? So that is it, everyone. That is the tutorial for our brand new Giant Ginger Girl, Mrs. Claus, okay? And I will have links to which gingers go with what in the description boxes, okay? Sorry for the video being so long, but I kind of wanted to show you how you could turn her 2 different ways rather than just only having that outfit. You could switch her up, okay? So thank you so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here soon. Bye-bye.